Alright, once the archiving process is done, you will see the organizer that's gonna pop. Okay, so this is a way to be able to select what's gonna be sent to the iTunes for review. This is the bundle right here, pop the save. Don't worry about it if it doesn't have your app name. That's totally normal because this is the name of the target, not the name of your app. Now click on upload to the App Store. And if you did everything correctly, you should see your name here, or your developer license name here. If not, you can click on View Accounts, and here you will be able to add yours. Click on plus, and then it will appear here. Okay, so I'm going to click on Choose, and then it's going to prepare for archive. By the way, be patient because this might take a while because this is a pretty big file. Now it should recognize your game in iTunes, the one that you have here. Okay, so if it doesn't, then something is wrong. It cannot link it. So make sure you have the right bundle ID. Go back to Xcode and click on upload. Now it's going to do a bunch of verifications and then it will upload it. So I'll see you guys in the next lecture once the upload is finished.